The recreational vehicle sector has been experiencing significant advancements lately. Recent years introduced us to Airstream's eStream, Potential's Adventure 1, and conceptual designs like the Odorico Pin 1 Caravan. Most recently, Pebble unveiled their inaugural functioning alpha prototype named Flow. We've had our questions about this innovative RV addressed, and throughout this presentation, we'll be sharing our comprehensive assessment with our audience. Without further delay, let's commence. The Pebble Flow is an upcoming 25 feet all-electric travel trailer weighing 6,200 pounds with dimensions of 7 feet 6 inches in width and 8 feet 8 inches in height. Pebble asserts that the Flow boasts 3 times the aerodynamics of a traditional travel trailer. The ingenious exterior design contributes to these aerodynamic efficiencies, complemented by concealed features that enhance its performance even further. If we talk about the exterior of this camper, the first thing that seems worth mentioning is the active aero. This component moves upward to the crease level, optimizing the aerodynamic profile by reducing drag caused by air circulation around the vehicle. This upward movement is intentional to enhance visibility through the window when parked at a camp spot. Beneath the exterior shell, there's a heat pump, which is a welcome addition for its superior efficiency in heating and cooling compared to traditional resistive electric heat or air conditioning hardware. The Pebble's InstaCamp feature includes electronically deploying and retracting 4 leveling stabilizers along with the awning, stairs, and electric parking brakes, facilitating quick setup or departure. Although the prototype lacked an awning, the Pebble team assured us that the production version would include one. Behind, we can see a storage tunnel spanning the trailer's entire width. While the prototype's tunnel was locked, its potential for accommodating items like skis or fishing poles was evident. Now, let's shift our focus to the powertrain, which surely is something unusual for a trailer. Beyond its role in propelling the trailer, the powertrain's remote mobility stands out. This means the Pebble Flow can be maneuvered in a 360 degrees fashion without being attached to a vehicle. Owners can remotely control the vehicle through the Pebble app, streamlining the hitching process. This feature is particularly advantageous for electric vehicle (EV) drivers needing to detach the Pebble Flow to access DC fast charging stations, a rarity for pull-through EV charging. The tires strike a balance between low rolling resistance and effective grip in various weather and terrains. Aero caps enhance aerodynamic efficiency. The powertrain consists of 2 motors, with details about the motor type yet to be confirmed. The 45 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery, while less energy-dense, prioritizes safety and aligns with home energy storage solutions. The electric travel trailer supports level 1, 2, and DC fast charging, coupled with 1,000 watts of roof-mounted solar panels for solar energy absorption. Connectivity details, such as the use of KNX or CCS connectors, were not confirmed by Pebble, but the NEMA 14 to 50 port ensures compatibility with EVs. The Pebble Flow with bidirectional charging enables up to 7 days of off-grid living, functioning as an emergency power backup for homes. This feature, akin to the Tesla Powerwall, could potentially qualify for additional incentives. Venturing inside the Pebble Flow, the space is designed not only for experiencing nature indoors, but also for practicality. The movable faucet is a convenient touch for easy water access. The kitchen is equipped with a built-in stovetop that can be removed for outdoor cooking. Additional cooking facilities include a microwave with convection oven and air fryer functionalities, discreetly stored beneath a panel. Ample storage is provided, including overhead compartments with pop-out handles reminiscent of aircraft storage. The rear space is versatile, serving as a working surface for digital nomads and transforming into a queen bed with a Murphy bed desk that remains level for laptop storage. The presence of a skylight enhances stargazing and provides natural light. LED strip lights elevate the ambience. The 2 cushions can convert into an additional bed by placing them on the table that can be leveled with the surface. A thoughtful design choice is locating the sleeping quarters at opposite ends of the trailer. The bathroom, with a shower, toilet, and sink enclosed in a glass room, features electrochromatic glass for privacy. The Pebble Flow includes a 37-gallon fresh tank and a combined gray and black tank with a 50-gallon capacity, delivering hot water as well. The vehicle's smart systems are accessible through a screen, and the Pebble app allows owners to monitor charge status, tank levels, and control climate and lighting remotely. Features like InstaCamp, Magic Hitch, and remote maneuvering can be activated through the app. The app, initially launching on iOS, will later be compatible with Android. The Pebble Flow is also plug-and-play ready for high-speed Starlink satellite internet or mobile data connectivity. Pre-orders for the Pebble Flow are open with a $500 refundable deposit. Two options are available: a $199,000 version with a 45 kilowatt-hour battery pack, and a $125,000 version with dual motors and a Magic Pack, incorporating remote control features. The company aims for the first deliveries by late 2024, initially for U.S. buyers. We think that coming from extensive backgrounds and large companies is what inspired the Pebble team to make this project possible. With a shared vision, they created something that not only exudes beauty, but also delivers a seamless and delightful experience, drawing from their expertise in building products during their tenure at Apple. Considering the growing interest in electric travel trailers, what sets the Pebble Flow apart from competitors? Pebble emphasizes the focus on ease of use and a superior experience, addressing common RVing hassles through advanced automotive technologies. They're passionate about leveraging tech to streamline RVing experiences for both seasoned enthusiasts and those new to the lifestyle. Pebble acknowledges the complexity, but highlights the advantage of building two products with less complexity than a traditional passenger vehicle. They plan to set a new standard in the RV industry by incorporating automotive suppliers, techniques, and engineering processes. The timing, with well-developed electrification supply chain, positions Pebble favorably to bring the product to market by the end of 2024. Okay, that was Pebble Flow Electric RVs you must see.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.